Hey SAIC, this is your Navigate app administrator bringing you another tutorial on how to use Navigate. Navigate is SAIC's student engagement platform, helping students connect to people, places, and resources on campus to help you get from orientation to graduation. Today's tutorial will focus on a very important part of the system, logging in. As always, if you have questions, go to saic.edu/navigate. Let's get started. So to get into the system, you want to understand that Navigate is both an app and a website. So I'm going to start by showing you how to get in via a web browser, and then I'll show you how to get in via the app. So to get in via a web browser, you can use any browser and go to saic.navigate.eab.com. Now, when you get to the landing page, you'll be asked to log in with your school account. So go ahead and click that. And you'll log in with the same credentials that you use to access the Gmail suite at SAIC. Now, if you're going in through the mobile app, then first you have to get it. So go to wherever it is you download apps and search for Navigate Student. I already have it, so I'm just going to go over to it and we'll open it. Now, the first time you log in, it's going to prompt you to search for your school. So I'm just going to click over here and type School of the Art Institute of Chicago. You'll see it just pops up, so I'm going to click it. And you'll use the same credentials as before. And I'm in. Now, the first time you go to the system in either the app or the desktop site, you'll be asked to complete a survey. So make sure to take your time, click through this, and choose the selections that are most closely related to you and your experience here. It's a very brief survey, so I'm just going to pick a couple of things that apply to me and my interests. And then I'm in. Thanks for watching. Again, if you have any questions and to explore all your possibilities with Navigate, go to saic.edu/navigate.